Before using your television, please ensure that the digital aerial amplifier is turned on. The button is situated on the top of the amplifier and you'll see a blue LED light once the amplifier is turned on. At this moment, it's also good practice to check the 12-volt plug and the aerial cable that is still plugged in and it hasn't been pulled out by mistake, obviously ensuring that you've got a good reception and obviously the TV is powered on. Please note, you will need to retune your television at each location.